now we're going to tackle the remaining part. And I know most people don't separate these as continents, but just for learning purposes, we want to know where the Middle East is and where Asia is. So we are going to select out the Middle East. Okay, so here we go. So for the Middle East, let's make a new. First of all, let's group up the. Europe was never grouped. Let's group up Europe. Command G, and we'll call this Europe. And then Australia, let's group that. I'll control click and say group so you could see what I did there. And then we'll call this, we'll just call this Australia. Okay, and then close that up. And then, oops, this should be inside there. Just drag that up in there. And then I'm going to make a new layer, and let's just go ahead and try to do this quickly with the magnetic tool, right? Okay, so we'll go, there's going to be some cleanup that we have to do with the pieces that we've missed. I believe it goes up into this little part right there. And then, because like if you notice, there's like an island out off of Africa that we didn't get. We need to get that. And then there's a little bit of pieces that we missed, like the Italy. You could tell the little boot sticking out in Europe. We didn't get all of that, so there's just little parts we need to clean up. But I'm gonna kind of I'm doing a rush job here to get this done, and then we'll spend some time and clean it up nicely later. Okay, I'm gonna double click now, and then so this is gonna be the part for Middle East. Let's get the eyedropper and the paint bucket. So the eyedropper, again, hold Option, click that. Move this out of the way, and let's just take the paint bucket and drop that in. Okay, we'll take the T tool, pick black for the color, and we'll type Middle East. Okay, move that into place, and then let's get Asia, which I'm going to try something different. Let's just, Middle East. I'm going to try something. This time I'm going to go on this. I'm going to copy all the list. Wait, hold on. Let's just take a look real quick. We're going to say all of this here is Asia. So I'm going to kind of do what we did with Australia. I'm on the map layer, and I am going to select all these white pieces, and yeah, that's not 100% perfect there. And I'm going to go underneath the Middle East just a little bit. It's okay, because I'll just put this layer below the Middle East and go inside of the Europe coloring. Okay, so now I've selected all this area. I'm going to copy it. So edit copy, and then I'm going to move to, or just right where it is fine, I guess. And then we are going to paste in place, edit, paste, special, paste in place. So I have this new layer here. We're going to call this Asia. And let's get the color for it. Wrong button, wrong place here. Take the paint bucket and the eyedropper. And then let's select on this layer. Going to select everything outside of the area I want to paint bucket. Let's just show what that does. I drop here. Whoops, don't want to do that. Command Z. We want to select the inverse. So to do that, go up to select and go to inverse. So now it's selected all the land, push the paint bucket, and it's, I'm going to push delete to get rid of all those lines, and then push the paint bucket. And it filled in pretty well. Okay, and then so let's take the T tool, click that for black, and write Asia. And there we go. So we have all the continents. We have Antarctica. I'm gonna go ahead and make this white. I just want to do that. Okay, and so there we have it. Okay, and so these other little parts with Africa here, you can see we should have, this should be the same color. We'll clean that up You should clean that up off screen. But I want to take you to one final step. We are going to go File, Export, and go Export Quick PNG. And we're going to call this Map Continents, okay? Map Continent. And that you save it wherever you want to save it, just so you know you can get it, maybe the Documents folder. And it's a PNG, so you hit Save. Okay, then we're going to go into Animate, Adobe Animate. We're going to create a new document, okay? And we want to set this up so that we could import in the Animate. You know what, this video is going to get too long. Go ahead and just pause it here, open the next video so it's shorter, it'll load up faster. Let's go ahead and, so have fun getting all this set up and export it, and we'll plug it into Animate in the very next quick video.